on my own. Oof, that's nice. It's a bit unusual doing this to yourself in front of other people, but... So today I've got my hands on the mini massage gun from Pulseroll, the smaller, more travel appropriate, compact and chic little brother of the larger version of the gun. So as we can see, this case is really stylish. It's got a nice hard exterior to keep everything nice and safe. Would kind of fit in any gym bag, any travel bag. How cute and stunning is that, all you girls out there that love organisation like myself? So the mini massage gun, it's small, but it is mighty, and it's actually recommended for the novices out there that maybe haven't attempted to home massage before. So once charged, this will actually hold up to 6 hours of battery life, which I think is amazing. And it does actually just charge at the bottom there via a USB-C cable, which a lot of devices do nowadays. So to turn it on, I've just flipped it upside down, and I'm just gonna gently hold down this button. And with very minimal effort, you can see it's come on, it's doing its thing. And then if I gently tap the bottom, I'll take us up through the speed settings for a bit of a more intense massage. And at its maximum speed, this actually hits 3,000 RPM, which for a tiny little piece of kit like this is really impressive. With your mini massage gun set, you are gonna get these 4 key heads that you will need for the full body massage experience. And the other thing about it that I've noticed, I don't know if this has been mentioned or if anybody else has noticed, but it's so quiet. It's like a purring cat. So I'm just gonna take it down onto my leg actually as well. I can imagine that after leg day, this actually feels like heaven. Oh yeah, I feel like I'm unlocking a new me doing this, where I feel like I didn't realize that I needed one of these until right now. So we know it's good for anyone and we know it's good for anywhere, but this is not only good for those little tweaks and pains that you might get in the gym, you could also just use it to relax. It could be a great gift for somebody that you know has a lot of tension, you know, likes to go to the gym. And that is the mini massage gun from Pulseroll. Clearly perfect for anyone, anywhere, available on the OOOOO app now.